Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Raja Indra Ahmad Zainal, and today I would like to present about our practical number 3, which is about air conditioner. And this is my team, which is Nasrullah, Aidit, me, myself, and Felicia Lindan. Next, introduction. Air conditioner refers to a system that removes heat and moisture from an indoor environment to lower the ambient temperature. The function is to bring the warm air to the system and distributing cool air, but there is much more to this process. Lastly, there are various types of air conditioning, which is window air conditioners, portable air conditioners, wall-hung split or multi-head split air conditioners, and ducted air conditioning. These four pictures shows the different type of air conditioning system. The first one, on top left, is window air conditioner, which is placed at the windows to support the out air and bring it into inside. And on the top of left, or on below left, is portable air conditioner, which is easier for the user to move it around. And below right shows the multi conditioners or split unit type, which is have two different unit, which is indoor and outdoor. And lastly is ducting, normally used for bigger place such as classroom, buildings, mall. Next, HVAC stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. HVAC refers to different system used for moving air between indoors and outdoor area, along with heating and cooling both residential and commercial buildings. HVAC consists of four main components, which is evaporator, compressor, condenser, and expansion valve, and all of them have their own function in HVAC. Pictures below shows the diagram of four main components of HVAC system. Starting from evaporator, move to compressor, then condenser, and then expansion valve, then return back to the compressor to circulate the process. Our objective on this lab is to identify the type and the location that use air conditioning unit at Mutation Biodiesel plant. Secondly is to determine the energy efficiency of each unit in Mutation Biodiesel. The procedure that have been taken is the room size consists of air conditioning unit was measured and data have been noted. The type of air conditioning system were analyzed and picture was taken for report. And lastly, the energy efficiency ratio was calculated and shown in the table of result. The observation. Mostly all of the room in Mutation plant consists of air conditioning unit with different power. Totally, there are 8 rooms in Biodiesel plant, which is classroom, laboratory, surau, control room, meeting room, technician room, plant leader room, and electricity control room. And the biggest area of room that use 2 indoor unit is laboratory, control room, and classroom, which is the area is 20 feet 9 inches times 26 feet 9 inches, which is because it fit from 10 to 30 people at once. This is our result that have obtained while doing this experiment. This is the calculation result that have been done to calculate the heat generated, total, and the power produced by each room. And lastly, this is the calculation for EER of air conditioning system. As you can see, The value of laboratory is 0.95, surround is 1.85, technician room is 1.34, plan leader room is 1.55, meeting room is 1.30, safety equipment room is 0.61, classroom is 1.962, control room is 1 control room and hallway. The size area of a room plays a major part in installing the air conditioning unit, because the bigger the room and the bigger the usage of the user of the room, so it requires a bigger horsepower. Size of the area of the room and the maximum users can fill up the room can affect the cooling capability of air conditioning system. Classroom, laboratory, and control room require 2 units of 2.5 horsepower of air conditioning. The other room and plant bladder cell only requires 1 horsepower, which is surround, plant leader room, and others. As a conclusion, we discovered that 12 air conditioning systems are in operation. We can see the whole refrigeration system and get the necessary information such as kind and wattage of air conditioners. There are two types of air conditioner that use, which is York and Daikin. And a building must also have air conditioning installed by a stable system where acceptable work relates to the area being used. That's all from me. Thank you.